With this, it's a big wrap up for exploratory data analysis. So, here we have seen data formation, data organizing the data and summarizing the data, discovering the data patterns, discovering the data patterns, and then we have also seen uh, feature relationship analysis. So, after looking into all these concepts, uh, if you're a statistician or you have done the statistics somewhere in your brain, you would connect to some other word which sounds similar. What is that? That is data mining. That's where the question comes, and that's where the question pops up in your brain, that is is exploratory data analysis same as data mining? Is data mining same as exploratory data analysis, or is exploratory data and analysis equal to data mining? That's what the question may arise in your brain, because whatever activities, whatever tasks, whatever algorithm you use in your data mining, most of them, if not most of them, some of them, if not some of them, 60 to 80% of them we are using in exploratory data analysis. So obviously, if you are a statistician or statistical, if you are a statistics student, you should get this doubt. If not, I'm asking you to think like that. Now you should get it, because I told you. Okay, so now the question is exploratory data analysis same as data mining? That's what I'm going to answer here. So, before that, first let's understand, is data mining a part of the machine learning or not? Is data mining a part of the machine learning or not? A big S. Yes, it is. Data mining is considered a part of machine learning. A machine learning encompasses a broader set of techniques and algorithms that allow computers to learn and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. So, on the other side, data mining, on the other hand, specifically focuses on the process of discovering patterns, relationships, and insights from large data sets. So, data mining techniques often serve as a foundation for machine learning algorithms. That mining helps in pre-processing and preparing the data by identifying relevant features, handling obviously missing values and all, also certain, we can handle those things also, but that's not the main focus, that's not the focal point here. Okay, so data mining, and it specifically focuses on the process of discovering patterns, relationships, and insights from large data sets. So what machine learning will do? So on once the data is prepared, machine learning algorithms can be applied to train models and make predictions or decisions based on uh, based on uh, based on the patterns and relationships discovered through data mining. So techniques such as classification, regression, clustering, and anomaly detection, which are commonly used in data mining, are also key components of machine learning. So, in summary, data mining is a subset of machine learning that focuses on the process of extracting insights and knowledge from data. While machine learning encompasses a wider range of techniques for training models and making predictions or decisions based on the discovered patterns. Hence, hence, hence what? Hence, data mining is a part of machine learning. So, if it is a part of machine learning, how it sounds? It sounds like EDA.